Welcome back to Financify. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Remitly account right from your mobile device. Let's get started. First, launch the Remitly app on your mobile device. On the welcome screen, confirm the language preference and tap Continue. Then, tap on Create a new profile. Select your country of residence and the country you'd like to send money to. Next, provide your valid email address and create a strong password. Once done, tap on Continue. Choose if you'd like to enable fingerprint or face recognition for easier login. Follow the prompts for setup. Once your account setup is complete, you'll be directed to the home screen. Familiarize yourself with the layout for sending and managing money. And that's it. You have successfully created your Remitly account. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more finance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.